Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute advent calendar that I made for my niece. I started with 24 toilet paper rolls. Now some of these were left over from a previous project, which is why they are painted. A box of candy and small gifts. I'm using brown paper lunch bags, but you can use regular paper if you want, or even a fun Christmas wrapping paper. So start by cutting the end of the paper bag off, then cut a slit down the length of the bag to open it up. Next, grab your toilet paper roll and place your treats inside, and place it at the top of the paper and glue it in place. Now roll your candy-filled TP roll until it's completely covered with the paper, and then cut off the excess. Then you're going to glue the seam. Now you want to cinch the ends of the roll, and then you get to repeat this step 24 times. Now we're going to use some ribbon or twine to tie the end shut. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Now you can make all of yours the same design, or you can mix it up like I did. For this first one, I used some little Christmassy pom-poms and just glued them on. On this one, I just added these cute little bells to the ends. This one got some cute pom-pom ribbon. Now to attach the numbers. I found these cute mini clothespins and glued one on each roll. Next, I cut out some circles of different scrapbook papers to write the days on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and I'll see you real soon.